Okay, here's some technical practice for you. Okay, technical analysis. So we had a pretty nice steady drop here, and she came right back up. We're looking at the volume. You can see the initial pop out here. It was beautiful. It was on high volume. As she drops down, we really want to see a quieting area, right? We want to see up on the volume for the uptrend, and then as it tapers down, we want to see quieting. The opposite would be true in a bear market if you're trying to go short a stock. So is it ready right now? I don't know. Let's see. We got one little tightening here, two, and then it looks like it's coming up for a third. So this initial would be, I'm going to measure that right down. That's 20% initially. And then from peak to trough of the next tightening, we have 9.7%. And then peak to trough again, we have 6%. Anything under 10% is a go, right? So let's take this entire base. Hold on, let me highlight so you know what the entire base is. This would be a base. So these are all day candles, right? So it's not a very big base, but it's big enough. And if this pivot point, this is where we would buy, just above this pivot point. And we're looking back. We want to run that line all the way back and see where the overhead supply is. Overhead supply is a concept that's a little bit difficult to get used to. So for now, I just want you to think of overhead supply as selling points. Initially, people get stuck over here, they buy, and then the market goes down, and they're like, oh no, oh, well, I better hold my money and not sell because it's going to come back up. Because, there's those people who think everything's going to come back up instead of just selling off their losing stocks. And so as it comes back up, they either they get out or whatever. So they can kind of break even wherever they can. So if it might come up here, and these people that are stuck all over here, there was action here, right? There was people buying at these positions. This is what the volume. This is where the price action was that day. And look at all the participants. You see all the participants down here? These are all the people that participated in the stock market. So some of them are still holding and they're waiting until they can come back up so that they can sell. So we really need some sell action before this baby is ready to pop. Stay tuned for the next one.